In this video, we look at how to create a product in EWM using transaction/N/S-CWM/MAT1. Creating a product in EWM is necessary if you want to work with it in EWM. This means, for example, that as soon as a material is delivered to EWM, the product must have been created. In the EWM environment, we handle materials, but use the term product instead of material for them. Most of a product's data comes from the ERP system's material master, but additional warehouse-specific views are made available that can be filled. Therefore, a material from ERP becomes a product once it is used in EWM. The prerequisite for this video is that the material to be transferred has already been created in ERP transaction MM01. Call up transaction/N/SCWM/MAT1 to create the material in EWM. Enter the material to be created in the product number field. Enter the warehouse number for which the material is to be created. Finally, an authorized entity must be entered in the party entitled to dispose field. The lower fields are the EWM counterpart of the transactions MM01, MM02, and MM03. Press the Create button in our case. You can see the warehouse product maintenance. In the upper area of the screen, you can see the product name and description, as well as the warehouse number and the disposal party. The base unit of measure can also be found here. The data relevant for EWM can be viewed in the lower area of the screen. Values that have been transferred from the ERP have a small hat symbol in the tab heading. No changes are possible here. Further to the right, you will find tab headings without this symbol. Warehouse-relevant data can be entered here. Here, this is about the warehouse data, slotting and storage type data tabs. To be able to work with the product in EWM, no additional values must be entered here. Editing is optional and depends on the company's needs. Click on Save to create the product in EWM. In the lower left part of the screen, you will now see the message that the product has been saved. You can now exit the transaction by pressing back. This brings us to the end of the video.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.